2024-16, in a two-player game, player 1 can choose M or N, player 2 can choose X, Y, or Z. The payoff matrix is as follows. So I can see that 1, 0 is less than 2, 1. So this will be completely dominated. This is what it is. This is dominated by this. Secondly, if you take a look at 0 is less than 1, minus 1 is less than 0.5. So this will be completely dominated. And N goes for Y, N goes for Z. So 1, 3, this is what will be the equilibrium here. So 1, 3 is the strategy profile that is surviving the iterated elimination. So NY will be the answer here. That's option A. Let's take a look. It's option A here. Yeah, this is okay.